All right, so I wouldn't show you guys the wins without showing you guys the losses. And today we absolutely had one of them here in the Asian session. So today we lost about $330 on the Top Step Express funded account. In literally about 2 minutes, we got manipulated, squeezed out before then price just ended up chopping for the rest of the day. But like I said, I'll show you guys the wins, I'll absolutely show you the losses and share with you guys. Just when you take a loss doesn't necessarily mean, you did something bad and you need to completely change your entire plan. Today, this morning on our Asian live stream, we executed this very, very well. We followed our plan that we know works over a long period of time, and that's all you can do. If we can learn something, or if you guys can learn something from this, fantastic. So today I was trading on my Express Top Step funded account, which I have recently just passed that I talked and showed about. If you guys do want to check out Top Step, remember check the link below for an exclusive 20% off. Let's jump on the charts and I'll show you guys this trade. All right, so jumping on the charts here, guys, let's have a look at this gold trade that we took on our live stream on the 28th of January. Now, if we take a look at some of the moves we have seen here on gold, hopefully it doesn't skip that day forward. Yes, it has, typical. If I just show you guys what we were looking at for the day. So we basically came onto charts in the Asian session with price closing on Monday, very bearish, back below our key level, which was previous weekly resistance, 27.50. Now, it's a very, very big level for gold. And all we are really looking for was for price to come back down, hold these areas a little bit more, and to at least, come down and grab yesterday's low before potentially seeing this pullback higher. So, the way that this daily closed that bearish, engulfing Friday's candle, actually closing below this previous support, I was like, cool, spike down, retest these highs, which also lines up with our weekly key levels. To me, this looks like a pretty decent trade. And as you guys can see on the hourly time frame, so this was previous daily lows here. We had this really nice pullback, really nice push down, pullback, and now we're trying to get that continuation short. You can kind of see here on gold on the hourly chart. This was actually the same on the 4 hourly, which I'll show you guys as well. Is you were coming up, you were liquidating previous hourly highs, so we were pretty much trying to play this evening star play to come back down and grab a lot of the lows here on gold. These morning and evening star plays hit very, very well on gold. If you guys go back and look at the charts, look at the morning stars and evening stars, they pay very, very well here on gold. So by the time we jumped on the charts, you kind of see we grabbed the highs, couldn't really follow through, but we did actually close bearish, and the next hour came up, grabbed the lows, but also grabbed the highs, still holding, this very big level here with our overall bearish daily bias. So as we drop down to the 30-minute time frame, no reasons to short just yet here on gold. You were kind of chopping around, hovering, no reason to short just yet. And then boom, right here. To me, this again is a beautiful grab of a previous 30-minute high and actually closing bearish. So we got short on the next top wick here on gold, trying to get the play back down to here, and then, potential runners down into here. So we were targeting, a minimum of a nice 1 to 3 risk reward. So made this trade absolutely worth it. And what I was saying to the guys, I'm saying live on stream, is if this next 30 top wicks, I'm gonna get short. And by the time this starts to pull back, come into these levels, I will look to manage risk and trail my stops. You guys can then see we had some big manipulation. This was also the open of the hourly. So you had basically little to no bottom wick on this hourly, just a straight rip back higher, creating a double top, and then tried to flip back bearish, still kind of closed pretty doji like that. But it was also, I was like, cool, we're re-grabbing the highs. This looks like, this could be now just an extra Asian liquidity grab to see if we can get that pullback. And then you kind of came down a little bit, and then you kind of just squeezed out and just pretty much ranged for the rest of the day, before then grabbing some lows, closing back bullish, coming towards this liquidity, and then spiking much higher for the rest of the day here on gold. So all in all, very good trade. Stop loss placement was good. Would have maybe hit lows of about 65, but the amount of time that it took to actually get there from 1 a.m. London time till all the way till 8:30 London time, it's not really a trade that I'm ever going to hold for that long. Stop loss placement again was very good above previous hour liquidity grab. So liquidity grab with the previous hourly highs, a nice evening star forming here, 30-minute intraday liquidity grab. We've taken these time and time again, and these have hit very, very well. However, today on gold, unfortunately, just didn't work, but that's absolutely part of trading. Do I now all of a sudden go back to the drawing board and figure out what sort of new plan I need to incorporate or what sort of mentorship I should go watch from some guru? Absolutely not. We know that these trades hit very, very well, but they absolutely do not hit 100% of the time, and that is trading. So if you guys do find these trade breakdowns useful, showing the wins, the losses, absolutely everything, I'll continue to make these videos for you guys and even post them at least once a week, and hopefully you guys can gain some value from these, and I hope to see you guys on the live streams next week. Trade safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.